Good evening, guys. All right, so it's like day 6 of working on Jordan's car here. And last night I was moving files over and, well, day 2 through drive was corrupt. So we're SOL with all of that. In the grand scheme of things, that's okay, because here's what happened. After taking it all apart, we found out that the intake cam on this side was exactly 1 to this. So with the first thought in mind, I instantly went to, oh shit, well, we probably got some bent valves. So after doing a leak down test, we're pretty sure that everything in the motor is okay, that all the valves are good, and we can move forward. Jordan and I already went ahead and reset the cams, and I've already started putting in the bolt. I need to go through, torque these down, then we'll start proceeding to put the timing belt on. So that's my agenda for tonight, and we're gonna see how far we get. So cross your fingers. So guys, this guy showed up about 2.5 hours ago, and last time I checked in, we got some shit done. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying, because I've been doing this whole new thing where I try to somewhat script this shit. Anyway.
Improv's always funnier.
I feel like it is, but it's a pain in the ass to edit.
I'm sure you a pain in the ass. You've got an 18-inch, quarter-inch extension floating around here.
No, okay, so here's what we did. I got this all torqued down. We got the valve cover gasket on. We got this cover on. Timing marks on this time. I don't know if you guys will see the video where I showed you that that was completely off. Jordan says marks on, bars on, game on.
How about just one of those guys? We can come back into it.
All right, so here's what we did. Like I said, got all that shit on. I don't know if you know this or not, but whenever you put a timing belt on, make sure to loosen both of your shindigs. Basically, we just got to put this bottom shit on, pen out of the tensioner, got to put all the covers back on. We're going to leave the spark plugs out, pull the fuel pump relay, and then crank this thing over without everything on it and see how that goes. And hopefully we might fire this in an hour. All right, well, we are back today. Crap, my phone is playing again. It will not show me the date. Jordan's will, though. March 5th. All right, well, last time I checked in, that means it was March 4th. And today will be the day. We are putting the belt on right now. Valve covers are on, intake's on. We gotta go grab a power steering line for right there. And I have to get a coil pack from the farm, but we are back in business. We're gonna find out tonight, oh yes, if this motor is fucked or not.
All of a sudden today, I'm struggling with a belt.
I know, what's your problem here?
Last time I literally threw the sucker on, it was my day job.
Mm-hmm.
It's no longer my day job.
When was your day job just to put serpentine belts on?
Oh, when I was a tech at Quick Trip.
Say it one more time.
I can't because it's too fucking ridiculous.
Hey, look at that. You got it.
Meow. Mind you, this is not OEM belt size because for someone who knows what they're looking at, there's a big old fan clutch that's supposed to go right there.
Yeah, so in case anybody does want to know, this has a ECS alternator, ECS crank, ECS power steering, factory AC, and factory tensioner. Our belt length on this is an 6K 1856. Looks like we're gonna try to fire it up. We gotta put a couple pieces on here real quick and then we'll see what happens. So, back to the montage. All right, pro tip time for you. Jordan, explain to the viewers what I just suggested to you.
So you got your boosty holdy boys, right? Always make sure you can get into these suckers when the front of your vehicle is on. So like Zeus right here. Zeus lines up with my timing cover. And go straight down, I can get it. This one, can't get a little forward. The front's on, straight, that might be under the...
Make sure to make your boosty boy clamps, like he said, accessible for when you blow them mothers off.
Sure, you didn't put that fuse back on.
It's not.
How much cranking should we do?
Longer than that.
That idle looks a lot nicer. Over the fucking garage now.
It is a bit rich in here. Yeah, it's definitely a bit rich in here.
I can't breathe. I gotta go.
What a puss!
I got the wrong whiff, dude. Like, I literally, like, there was no oxygen that went in.
Did you stick your head underneath there?
kind of.
That's your freaking problem.
I'm excited.
All right, I'm gonna put you guys down. We're gonna talk about this. My eyes are starting to burn. All right, well, sadly, it's a semi-unproductive night. Well, it's been a productive night, but sadly, something is wrong. We've got 22 kW on one cam sensor, and we've got 4 degrees kW on another bank. So I'm pretty sure we have a sticking cam chain tensioner. We're gonna have to do some more diagnostics. So I guess that's where I'm gonna leave you guys. Life of owning a 2.7. Sorry, Jordan. It's shitty too because we just took this side of the motor apart, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to take it all back apart again to get to this same cam timing chain cam thing, or bobber, doohickey, doo-wopper, this stupid thing right there. These were off a running engine, so I know these are all good. Long story short, we might just rob some off of that, one of those 2 engines there, and put them in there. Chip, or do you buy a new one? Decisions need to be made, and in our next video, we will find out probably what those decisions are going to be. So guys, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what your thoughts are. Do you think this is a cam chain tensioner problem? Till next time, make sure to subscribe to get notified of all the latest content and to find out what the hell we do with this thing. So, peace, guys.